Here we have example electronics designed to fit TC chargers. So this is 3 kilowatt charger. This is also for CH4100 chargers. This is connected to the battery now. So this is example test battery case. And this is 96 volt system. And this is 29S version. So we deliver this as different options, different configurations, and it comes in the box with 2 connectors to fit TC charger. And as you can see, it's connected to the socket at the moment, type 2 socket, and this is the charger that is connected now to the over the socket to the charger directly. In this socket we have also custom electronics that is designed to communicate with this charger. So this electronics inside of the box is designed to communicate with the charger and to activate it over this button. And then this electronics here is designed to send to the TC charger or the 3 kilowatt charger inside what power and voltage to send to the battery. So it needs to know how many cells you have and what voltage is the maximum voltage it needs to send to the battery. And over the CAN bus communication, so this is the CAN bus communication, and this is the 12 volt power supply that powers the electronics. And over the CAN bus it communicates and sends to the battery the exact voltage and amps, how much it needs. So the power 230 volts, this is European version, comes in over the socket and then into the charger. Charger gets 230 volts and converts it to 12 volt over this socket, powers the electronics. Electronics is turned on, and over the CAN bus sends to the charger what voltage and amps to send to the battery over this plug. So let's test it now. LEDs are also connected over this wiring. So we have in our type 2 socket we have also wiring to communicate with the charger itself. So when I press the button, charger activates, green light. Here also starts to blink, socket, and charger also starts to blink. As you can see, now the charger is active, electronics also active. As you can see, a red light here, and the battery is charging currently. On the press of the button, charging is deactivated, or the charger is deactivated, and charging socket also stops, and charger is disconnected. We sell this separately, so we have this electronic for the chargers. If you use home plug, then you don't need type 2 socket, so this is only for the charger communication. And we have complete socket with custom electronics that is designed to fit type 2 European sockets and to communicate with European chargers. So this is AC charger 230 volts that is using the in-car socket, and the electronics is inside, and then over the push button it sends the signal to activate the socket, and then power comes in the charger. From there 230 volts converts to 12 volts over this wire, and then this electronics that is working on 12 volts sends to the charger signal to activate the charger and send, in this case, 105 volts or 109 volts, depends on the battery type you have, chemistry, and the voltage it needs to send to the battery, maximum voltage, and how many amps over this to the battery itself. For any info, please contact us. We make this custom based on your battery type and voltage you need, so depending on how many battery in the series you have and what voltage and chemistry you need.